ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Booking open for the new Nexon. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
Menteri Sarkar ke Jela bepe ia ketenat boarding wabu teher mandel lapen menapat ba bakala bandan ke Jingkieng dam ya kelet kawan jengki kali ne ke Jingkieng dam site hakapor be ya ke Jingkieng on maramat bat pendat thamai de ki bering na ke Jingkieng habakran bekla pathai kuboru abu teher mandel hakasngi balang uloong ngin amsha ikinu gejat kali ki banyai lingba na ke Jingkieng bat ngi de kerpat juri kinong let nong wan bekinyai sha shipor bekin shim ne let no na kiwe pat kilenti ban pen poi shiki jaka beki kwa ban let no ki kali ket nong pang.
We are looking after this bridge because of the dam. Otherwise, the entire portion of the road belongs to PWD. So I had a discussion with the Honorable MLA also. He called me also. We discussed also. I visited that side also. I asked my MECL people to explore. But that will be on the ambit of PWD to find an alternative way. And I have discussed with the Secretary and Chief Engineer of PWD also to find out whether that bridge can be utilized or not. But see, layman's idea is that that bridge has been abandoned for quite a long time. And those times the load factor was completely different. So the entire steel structure is intact or not. And even the abutment, whether that is intact or not. But many onlooker or the people there, they told me that that bridge is not motorable. So we are making the boreholes to see the exact condition of the concrete and also to find out the extent of seepage. And after the borehole drilling, we used to grout it through a very high quality concrete to seal all those pores through which the seepages are there. So this is the present status. And we are targeting that both the work should go simultaneously. And we told them to give us the schedule, preferably in the first quarter of February, 15 days of February. There are two components in the entire bridge. One is the dam, which retain the water, and one is the bridge. So if you say bridge, I am sure that if these works are done, and I think PWD is working also to get a alternative route, because the initial survey, they were through the upstream of the bridge or dam, but the Geological Survey of India, they did not allow either upstream or downstream. I think now a new alignment will have to look into, and I think National Highway Infrastructure Development Corporation Limited is looking after this. I had a meeting with them also. They are trying to locate an alternative route for bridge.
So just to clarify,
We have experts. Initially, the entire thing has been studied by IIT Guwahati. A preliminary report has been given by them. Then, before we go for this work also, we have a joint committee with PWD. So both the engineers from MECL and from PWD, they are also working on it. And moreover, that day I ordered for a third party also, a competent authority who can audit the entire thing also. Initially, the way they started the work, only 2 machines were there. Now we have put into place around 5 machines. So we expect that this work will be finished as early as possible. But this is a very technical work and also very meticulously to be carried out. So we cannot just go very shortcut way. And we got to see that the work is done as per the specification, as per the protocol that mandated, and this work is completed. I have been personally monitoring. I have gone there. I called both the district administration, and we had a meeting including the police officials to see that there is no traffic jam and all these things. Only my request to all the commuters is that This is a situation which needs immediate attention, and that's why we are doing it. we cannot prolong further, and if we prolong further, the bridge may be under very difficult situations. So I will request all the commuters, please follow the traffic rules. Don't overtake, because overtaking will be unnecessary create jam, because it is only 2 laning, not 4 laning. Had it been 4 laning, till bridge we can go. So from the viewpoint this side, and downstream also from this fire brigade side, if we follow the rules, then it will be very easier. It is not that much that if continuous flow is there, within 10-15 minutes, I think every vehicle can pass through that. Only problem is there when the overtaking happens. So I request all the commuters to kindly follow the traffic rules. I just asked them tentatively that within the first 15 days we should go for it, and both the work should go simultaneously, so that there is a less requirement of time. Now the thing is like that, when the bridge will be lifted to replace the bearing, naturally that day vehicle will be fully shut down. We will not allow any vehicle to pass on that particular day, and definitely we will request all our esteemed consumer and also the commuters to kindly take alternative route. We will display wherever it is necessary, and will give press coverage also, and also some sort of advertisement that Umiam Bridge will be shut down for so and so dates and so hours. And while in lifted position, when we'll change the bearing, it will take some days, because you'll have to again remove the bearing, that portion again we will have to regrow it, and after that we'll wait for the curing period. Then we will go for the releasing of the jacks, and ultimately bridge will brought into its own same position. So the day we will lift maybe 8 hours. It may require 3 hours also, 2 hours also, 6 hours also, but we expect that 8 hours there will be no traffic. But after that, when the bridge will be on lifted condition, we will allow vehicles like what is called ambulance and all these things. We will try to see, and maybe light vehicles. We will completely restrict the heavy vehicle movement, and vehicle with big bodies, we will be completely restrict to go beyond the bridge.